your lifestyle coordinator here at the Restoration Hotel. This is a virtual tour to help you get better acquainted with our property and to show you how to make checking in and checking out simple and easy. Let's get started. In order to get the most benefits from the Restoration Hotel and 15% off our lowest guaranteed rate, we recommend you joining the Restoration Insider program. It's quick and easy to sign up, and it's free. There's a list at the bottom of this email that shows you all the benefits of being a Restoration Insider. We've made check-in quick and easy with our new remote sign-in. Within this email, you'll see a link to our remote check-in. Please read and sign. This will allow us to text you for all your needs before, during, and after your stay. Upon arrival, simply show us your driver's license or identification, and we will hand you your keys and you can be on your way. However, if you don't want to use our remote sign-in, we'd be happy to check you in through our normal process, and checkout is just as easy. On the last day of your stay, simply leave your keys in your room, text us your name, room number, and the word checkout, and we'll take care of the rest. At the Restoration, we offer full-service valet. Our team will wear masks and gloves in order to minimize contact with all surfaces. All luggage will be taken to your room and left just outside your door. However, if you prefer to self-park, we have a garage conveniently located right next to our hotel. We're happy to help you with your luggage and get you settled into your room. The Restoration offers 2 ways to relax in Charleston, whether it's in our residential suites for a true home-away-from-home experience or in our luxurious hotel. Located among 4 historic buildings dating back to the 1800s, the residences offer 1, 2, and 3-bedroom options, some with balconies and rooftop decks. Ranging from 1,200 to 2,500 square feet, these rooms are like your very own apartment, with full kitchens, cocktail bar, and washer-dryer. The Residences also has its very own outdoor rooftop deck for your enjoyment. We're taking living like a local to a whole new level. Experience a private chef dinner in one of our residences. The Residences offer full kitchens that allow you to have a personalized culinary experience in the comfort of your suite and will make for an incredible evening. Contact our sales department to schedule your own private dinner. The hotel was built in 2015. Ranging from 450 to 950 square feet, these are luxurious, all-king suites with full-size refrigerators, cocktail bar, and generous bathrooms with showers and tubs. The Restoration offers multiple outlets for food, drinks, and shopping. On the first floor, we have our Rise Coffee Bar. We offer tea, espresso, and all types of coffee options with our local roaster, Springbok Coffee. You can also get in-house made pastries and breakfast sandwiches. It's the perfect spot for breakfast and afternoon pick-me-ups. Our Mercantile Boutique offers both local and international goods, ranging from books to cookware. Check out our most popular item, our Indigo Candle, which is made with our hotel's signature scent. The Watch is the place to be for afternoons and sunsets. Our full-service restaurant provides anything from charcuterie boards and a glass of wine to burgers, steak, and fish with a beer or signature cocktail. Our Indigo Pool is located on the 5th floor. You can access the space with your room key and enjoy beautiful views of the Charleston skyline. The Restoration is using technology in order to meet your needs on your terms. If you'd like more information, I'd be happy to set up a Zoom call with you to go over everything Charleston and the Restoration has to offer. It was a pleasure to take you on this virtual tour of the Restoration Hotel. If you have any questions, please contact us and we'll get back to you as quickly as possible. We look forward to seeing you soon.